Okay, so the trunk is sort of in its finishing stages. I ran out of hardline. I got to do the other side when I get a chance to connect this compressor to the other fitting. Obviously, these compressors are never going to be perfectly aligned, so there's no point for me to replicate this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a completely new line because there's little differences in between the lengths and stuff like that. So, you know, that way I can make a custom-made hardline that will be perfect for this. Everything is nice and solidly mounted, so that's really good. And what else? That's pretty much it here. Just connecting everything underneath here. What I usually do is when I have the frunk up and I'm working on the frunk, I usually have 2 pieces of wood to support it. That makes it really easy. Everything is taped up. I do have the bullet connectors, which are over here, that are taped up as well. So it should be easy to go. This is all nice and clean over here. It's a little bit messy. I don't want it to be too tight together. As long as everything is protected, as long as everything has, you know, it's taped up together, doesn't separate, we should be good. I can probably clean this up a little bit and kind of attach it to the lines so it doesn't sit like that before I put it in. So I will clean it up a little bit as best as I can, most definitely. That way it could be, it could sit a lot cleaner, but everything's loomed, everything's grounded correctly. That's all I'm concerned about. But any kind of maintenance or anything that you need to do, whether you need to disconnect the pressure switch really easily over here, that's the pressure switch here. You need to disconnect the manifolds here. So whenever I work on Teslas, I like to use these 2 wooden bricks that supports the frunk. You're able to do any kind of maintenance that you need, and then you're able to do what you need to do. I mean, at the end of the day, the whole air suspension setup is, you're able to disconnect it and completely remove it if you need any kind of a maintenance, because it is on the frunk setup. And that's pretty much it. So that's all I need to do. I'm going to take it for a test drive eventually once I get the hardline. The hardlines, it should come tomorrow. And that's pretty much wraps it up.